So lately I have been getting a lot of messages just like this one right here, asking me about my personal top traffic sources, my personal top methods that I use every single day to make money online. And in this video guys, I'm going to give you one of my top performing affiliate marketing methods that I'm using to make around $200 every day. For as you can see right here, almost $200 yesterday. And if I'm going to filter it by 7 days, you can see I'm making almost $1,000 every 7 days using this exact method. And not only that guys, I'm going to give you the exact affiliate offer to go for. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up this method just the way that I'm using it myself. And on top of that, I'm going to give you the exact traffic source that I'm using to promote my affiliate offers. And if you're going to use the same traffic source that I'm about to give you in this video, you can see your first results as soon as in the next 24 hours. Now this is not exactly a risk-free method, okay? I myself am still a student. I'm actually enrolled in one of the best coaching programs out there, and the only reason why I'm doing this method at all is because it's been tested, time tested and proven by people who know a lot more about this stuff than I do, and because it has worked for them and it has worked for me, I'm creating this video so you can see that it's actually one of the best methods out there, so you can go ahead, set this up yourself and start making some serious money too. So just make sure to smash the like button under this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay tuned for more money making content. And now just let's get to the method. Okay guys, now this video is going to have exactly 3 steps. Step number 1, I'm going to show you the exact affiliate offer that you can use to make this method work. And for that, I want you to head over to warriorplus.com. Just go to warriorplus.com, and if you're new here, obviously you require a free sign up to get your free account, and then just simply log right into the account. Then once you log into your account, just go to this section where it says affiliate and click on offers. And here you can see all the offers that are being promoted on Warrior Plus. Now, if you don't know this website, if you don't have any experience with affiliate marketplaces, Warrior Plus is dealing mostly with make money online products. Most of these products are targeted to people that are looking to make some money online. So if you're going to be looking for some weight loss or health products, this is not the exact marketplace to go for that. But because make money online products are selling very well any time of the year, this is one of the reasons why I like using Warrior Plus the most. Now all you need to do is just go to this search bar and you want to write exactly this, AI Buddy. Just search for this product and you can see it's right here, and it's called AI Buddy ChatGPT powered app. One of the reasons why this is the best time to be promoting this product is because everything that has to do with AI is still hot right now, okay? It's not a new trend, it's been here for a couple of months already, but it looks like it's not going away anytime soon. So anything AI related, it's still a good bet if you want to make some serious money. If you're going to open this offer up, you can see it's this product right here, and in the description you can see that it claims to be the ChatGPT powered Google killer app. Basically this is supposed to be like ChatGPT on steroids, okay? This app's supposed to be doing everything that ChatGPT does, but only better. Now if you know what ChatGPT is, I'm pretty sure that you know that it's not exactly a top performing AI out there. Sometimes if you're going to ask it to write something, it's not going to be the highest quality, okay? Let's be honest right there. ChatGPT is great and all, but it definitely could use some tune-up, and this product is supposed to do the exact thing. Now if you go to their products right here, you can see the entire funnel, and you can see this product starts at $25, for which you will receive over $12 as a commission if you manage to make a sale of this product. But you can see there are many more upsells in this exact funnel, and if you're going to get the right traffic to this offer, which I'm going to guarantee that you will going to get, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a couple of seconds, you can see that they can choose from multiple upsells, and if somebody's going to make a purchase at the highest level of this funnel, you will receive almost $150 in commission. So if you're looking to make some serious money and you are serious about making money online, this is one of the products that you can use to start very easily, and all you need to do is just apply to be able to promote this product, okay? I've been promoting it already, so I've got my affiliate link right here. But for those of you who are new to Warrior Plus or haven't been promoting this product, all you need to do is just request to be approved promotion. You will have a request button. In fact, I'm going to show you how to do that right now on any of these affiliate products that I haven't been promoting. For example, let's go with this one. You need to just come to the offer, click on request approval. You will be taken to this form, and all you need to do is write there something like this. Hey, my name is, insert your name. Obviously, I'm a beginner affiliate marketer and I would like to ask for a chance to promote your product. I have heard about your product on Andy Caddwell's YouTube channel, and I plan to promote it using the same method he is using. I will not send spam traffic to the link, only real organic traffic through my landing page. Hope to hear from you, and just make sure you sign using your name. Then just simply click on request offer, and all you need to do is just wait to be approved for promotion, and when they approve you, you can grab your affiliate link right here at the top. Next, what you need to do is just simply grab this affiliate link, copy it, and save it somewhere where you can access it later. I like using Notepad for this, or you can just simply keep this Warrior Plus sales site open and come to grab it later when you're going to need it. Now I'm going to show you how to do step number 2, and that is create a simple landing page that you can drive high quality traffic to, and it's not going to be anything flashy, okay? It's going to just serve as a bridge between the traffic and the sales page. And if you go to the sales page of this product, you can see that it's a very well designed sales page, so pretty much all you need to do is just drive the most relevant traffic to this site and you're definitely going to be seeing some sales. Now to create a landing page to do that, go to this website right here that's called getresponse.com. Just go to GetResponse, and obviously if you're new here, go through the sign up process, grab your free account, then just log right into it. And once you log into your account, you will get access to one of the most powerful affiliate marketing tools out there, because GetResponse is not just landing page creator, it has many cool features, out of which some we are going to be using in today's method. And if you actually understand what GetResponse can do for you, you will be probably using it for other methods as well without me showing you how. So first, what you want to do is just go to contacts, click on contacts, and what you need to do in this section is just simply click on create a list. Now this is one of my dummy accounts that I've been using to test out some methods. I got a couple of more of these lists on my main account, but I don't want to be giving all the secrets away right now. But simply what you want to do is just name your list something, preferably to do with the affiliate offer, so you can connect it in your mind to the offer and you will know that is for this method only. So what you want to do is just name your list something. For example, let's go with AI body promotion. This is just for your reference, so just go ahead and type it however you want to, then just click on create and your list is going to get created right now. Then what you want to do is just click on these three buttons, go to settings, and you need to make sure that is in the subscription field, these two web subscription and API subscription are turned off. So make sure these two are turned off, then just click on save subscription settings, and now we are going to create a simple landing page that you can drive traffic to. For that, simply just go to this tools section, click on landing pages, and you can already select one of these templates that are pre-made for you, but I don't recommend that. Actually, just go to show templates and choose one of these almost blank templates. For example, I like using this one right here because it's very easy to customize. So just choose that one and name it something. For example, like this AI body promotion LP as in landing page. So you will know this is the landing page. Then just click on next step, and now you get to customize this landing page. Now pretty much all you need to do here is just go to the sales page and grab a couple of text and images from here, paste them to this landing page. So for example, let's do that. Let's just get rid of this right away because we are not going to be using it. Place your bold headline right there. So just hop over to sales page, copy the title. For example, copy this title right here, paste it into this headline. Also make sure to customize the color of the font because it's going to put it into this default grayish, and that's not very good. So I'm just going to make it, for example, bluish like this, little less dark. Let's go with this. Okay, this will work very well. Then just copy the rest of this title, go back to the get response landing page, and what you want to do is go to the sidebar and select text and paste the rest of the title, something like that. Then just change the color to something like this, for example, so it's going to stand out a little bit more. I'm going to make this one bold. Then what you want to do is just hop over to sales page and take a screenshot of this logo right here at the top. Just screenshot this logo, click on this image right here, click on this replace button, and you need to upload the screenshot that you have just took. Just click on add files, upload the screenshot that you have just took, and click on add, and then just double click it to use it, and just go ahead and stretch it so it's going to be a little bit bigger. For example, something like this. I don't want it cropped. Okay, and then just delete this brand logo. We are not going to be using it. Next, just head over back to sales page, and what you want to do is get a screenshot of this video right here. Then just go back to get response, grab this image button right here, place it under the text, something like this, and also make sure to replace it with the screenshot of the video. Then just resize it so it's going to be a little bit larger, for example, something like this. Just make sure to not crop it because you want the entire picture of the video right here. And then pretty much all you need to do is just go to the sidebar and click on this form, click on static form, and drag that one right into here next to the video, next to the image of the video. This is going to be serving as an opt-in form. People are going to input their name and email right here. The email is going to get collected into your contact list, and there will be taken to the sales page through your affiliate link. Pretty much all you need to do with this opt-in form is just change the text of this button to something like play video, something like that, and this is pretty much all you need to do. Then what you want to do is just go click on next step right here, and it's going to offer you this version to create a mobile version. Now mobile version will be created automatically from this landing page you have created, so if you want to do that manually, just click on return to editor and customize it for mobile as well. And if you want to get the response platform to deal with it, simply just click on proceed with our mobile version. And now you need to change a couple of settings right here. So first of all, go to these SEO settings and you need to select a custom domain because you want this landing page to have a nice domain. So just simply select a domain that you want. For example, let's go with getresponsepages.com and customize this first part of the domain into something that has to do with the product. For example, right right now we're going to be promoting this AI Buddy software, so I'm just going to name it something like AI Buddy Live. Then what you want to do is go to the subscription settings and you want to select the list that you have created for this offer, and I believe it's this one right here, AI Buddy Promotion, and you need to make double sure this confirmed opt-in is going to be turned off, so it's going to be grayish just like this. And then pretty much all you need to do is just make sure that this thank you page section, you need to click on that and select custom thank you page, and here you need to paste your affiliate link, because once people are going to put their email into the landing page you have created, you want them to go to the sales page of the product. So just grab your affiliate link from the notepad or wherever you have saved it, paste it right in there, something like this, okay, and then pretty much all you need to do is just publish this landing page. Now if you want to see how it's going to look like, just visit this link right here. If you're not happy with the result, just go ahead and customize it however you want, but because this is just going to serve as a bridge between the traffic and the sales page, something like this is going to work very well. Then what you want to do is just simply go back to GetResponse and you need to do a couple more things. Go back to tools and you need to select autoresponders, and you are going to create a autoresponder that's going to be sending emails to whoever has put their email address to your landing page. This is very important step in this process because you don't want to just be sending people to the sales page once, you need to be reminding them of the sales page, because there's high chance that once they're going to come to the sales page for the first time, they're going to check out the product and they decide not to buy it. But if they are going to keep receiving emails reminding them about the product, there's high chance they're going to let it sit in their mind, consider if they want to buy it or not, if they want to do something with it, and if they're going to be receiving emails, they are that much more likely to make a sale. This is one of the techniques that I'm using myself every single day and it's working for me very well. So you can actually skip this part of the method, but I wouldn't recommend it. So just go ahead and set up this autoresponder exactly as I'm going to show you. For example, name it something to do with the product, AI Buddy Email Responder. Then just go to this section where it says linked list and you need to link it to the list that has to do with the product. So just go ahead and select the list we have created in the first step on GetResponse. Then pretty much all these settings you can keep as they are, and down here you need to select a subject line how the first email is going to look like. So just go ahead and name it something like watch this AI Buddy video here, or whatever product you're going to be promoting, but if you're going with AI Buddy you can use this exact same line. Then you need to design the body of the email. For that just simply click on this form and click on design message, go to blank templates right here, select this blank template, then just simply grab a text box and place it into the body of the email, and you want to write there something like this: hey, thanks for checking out the AI Buddy program, here's your access link, we are sure you are going to love it, just in case here's your link again. And also make sure to sign the email using your own name, and then pretty much all you need to do is just select this sentence and you need to embed it with your affiliate link. To do that, just click on this link button right here, just go back to the notepad, grab your affiliate link yet again, paste it right in there, click on insert, and do the same for the second sentence as well. So it's going to be a little bit more enticing because it's going to contain two ways to get to the link, and when people are presented with multiple options, they're starting to decide if they want to choose option 1 or option 2 instead of deciding if they want to use option or not. So just go ahead and create a simple email like this, then just go right here and click on next, and it is going to create this autoresponder that's going to be sent every time somebody is going to sign up through your landing page. They're going to receive email with the two buttons to the same affiliate link that's going to take them to this sales page, and this sales page is going to be doing all the selling for you. So all you need to do is just simply create an email that's going to point people to this sales page. Then what you want to actually do is just go to this autoresponder section and you want to create multiple of these responders that's going to be sending emails to them on a regular basis. All you need to do is just adjust this setting right here. You just need to select with the delay off and make sure to select it for 23 hours is the maximum. So it's going to basically send them an email the next day. Then just go ahead and write short email that's going to say something like, have you forgot about AI Buddy, and paste the affiliate link. Then just go ahead and save it yet again, and just go ahead and create a couple of these for the next 2 or 3 days. You just want to select day 2 within the delay of 24 hours, day 3 within the delay of 23 hours. That way you will keep reminding all the people that are going to sign up using your email about the program that you are promoting, and they will be enticed to be taken back to this sales page, and you are that much more likely to make a sale. Now pretty much let's move to step 3 right now in this video, and that's driving the most relevant traffic, high quality traffic to a simple landing page that you have created. And for that all you need to do is just copy the link to this site, go back to notepad and paste it it right below your affiliate link, so it's going to be all in one place. And then you want to go to Google and you want to search for this site right here. Just hit search on that and go to udemy.com. Just go to Udemy and sign up for your free account, and pretty much all you need to do here is just simply go to find sellers, and you need to find a seller that you're comfortable going with. This is going to be using paid traffic, and pretty much you can see right here that all these sellers are offering traffic for at least 40 cents a click. Now just don't get discouraged yet, because this is the exact way that I'm using to promote affiliate offers from Warrior Plus with great success. And what I highly recommend is going for a seller that has the highest percentage of buyers reporting a sale. For example, this person right here is selling his traffic for almost 60 cents per click, but over 91% of buyers reported making a sale. And also this person has a very high like to dislike ratio, and also this one right here, and also this one right here, and all of them have high percentage of buyers reporting a sale. So just find somebody like this that you want to buy your traffic from, and pretty much all you need to do is just open their profile, scroll down here, and in this section you need to customize how many clicks you want for your landing page. For example, if you're going to order as low as 175 clicks, that's going to cost you $106. But if you're going to do some calculations, out of those 175 clicks, is just a couple of people are going to make a purchase, you will get your money back and then some. And actually you can expect some upsells as well, so you're definitely going to make some money on these too. That's the reason why I recommend using somebody who has high percentage of buyers reporting a sale, because you want traffic that's going to be doing buying. So pretty much all you need to do is just go to the section where you selected how many clicks you want, and you want to paste the link to your landing page into this field. Just copy the link to your landing page, select how many clicks you want. I wouldn't recommend going for the highest amount just yet, just simply select something that you're comfortable going with. Make sure you have posted the correct link to your landing page, and then pretty much complete the checkout. Now guys, if you want a $5 coupon to udemy.com, just go to the description. There's going to be a link, the first link in the video description. Use that to sign up to Udemy, and you will receive a $5 coupon to Udemy, so it's going to give you a slight edge when you are going to be doing this method for the first time. So just go to the description, check the first link, sign up to Udemy, and you will get a $5 coupon for the traffic. And once you complete the checkout, you will start getting traffic to your landing page. They're going to be signing up using their email addresses, and they're going to be taken to the sales page. And on top of that, you will collect all of these email addresses in your contact list, and you will start sending them email via the autoresponder that I showed you how to create. That way they will be reminded to go back to the sales page, and you're going to get even more sales. This is pretty much one of the top methods that I'm using on daily basis to make all of this money. And as you can see right here, it's making me almost $200 yesterday, and in the last 7 days I made almost $1,000, which put me to $4,000 every single month just by doing this method. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, just go out there, put it to work, make some money with it. After you do, return to this video down in the comments. Do let me know how much money you have made using this. And now if you want to see some more money making methods, check out this video right here, and I'm going to see you in the next video.